Itong mga ito, naglabasa na lang ito dahil naawa kay Aling LV. Hindi naman namin sila inimbita eh. Nagkusang loob sila pumunta rito para magtestigo sa ginagawa mong maltrato rito kay Aling LV. Makatao ba yung ginagawa mo? Hindi na makatao yan. Makahayop na yan. Mas masahol pa sa hayop yung ginagawa mo.
Maybe as a gentleman to refrain from and probably just exercise objectivity and cooler heads without offense, Senator Estrada. Alam niyo, Senator Estrada, kasi siya yung gumawa ng kasambahay law. Kaya ayaw niya rin na makita yung nagawang batas na hindi nasusunod at hindi umiiral.
Hindi lang yan, Mr. Chair. Kaya naman, I'm sorry for raising my voice. Kaya naman talaga ako umiinit ang ulo ko, tumataas ang boss ko. Dahil nakikita ko itong tao na masyado mo minaltrato. Habang buhay na siya mabubulag. Hindi mo ba naintindihan? Kung sa'yo ginawa yun, habang buhay ka mabubulag, matutuwa ka? Matutuwa yung mga kapatid mo? Matutuwa yung mga anak mo? Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung itsura. Nung pumasok sa'yo si Aling LV, hindi ganyan itsura niya. Ilan taon na kayo, Aling LV? 44 years old lang. Pero tingnan mo yung itsura niya. Parang mas matanda pa sa akin. Parang 70 years old na, 80 years old na sa ginawa ninyo. Sa ginawa mo in particular. Hindi na makatao yan.
Senator Estrada, you can have your water also, my dear colleague. So we have two pending motions here. One is this committee is in receipt of a letter of reconsideration dated 19 September 2023, order of contempt against Franilyn Garcia Ruiz. So this is treated as a motion for reconsideration to reconsider and set aside the order of contempt dated 19 September 2023 against Franilyn Garcia Ruiz, and to order the prayer of the council is to order the immediate release of movant Franilyn Garcia Ruiz. After having deliberated and consulted with the members of the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights, the committee resolves in open hearing to deny said motion. Let the council as well as the committee secretariat note that pursuant to Balag versus Senate is a Supreme Court decision dated July 3, 2018 under GR 234608, the Supreme Court ruled that the period of detention will last upon the end of the legislative inquiry of the Senate. And the legislative inquiry of the Senate would terminate in two instances. One, upon approval or disapproval of the committee report under sections 22 and 23 of the rules of the Senate. The committee report, within 15 days after the conclusion of the inquiry, the committee shall begin to consider a report. Number two, action on the report. The report, upon inclusion in the order of business, shall be referred to the committee and rules for assignment in the calendar. Those are the only two instances. And the third one would probably mean the legislative inquiry of the Senate also terminates upon the expiration of one Congress. We're now talking of the 19th Congress. So, the implication of the denial of the motion for reconsideration is that Mrs. Franilyn Garcia Ruiz will continue in detention under the auspices of the Sergeant at Arms. Is there another motion?
Well, Mr. Chair, I would like to second the motion of Senator Tulfo with regard to the contempt against Mr. Pablo Ruiz.
There is a pending motion coming from Senator Tulfo, duly seconded by Senator Estrada, to likewise detain within the premises of the Senate, pursuant to the rules of the Senate, the person of Mr. Pablo Ruiz for the same reasons as considered by the committee when it detained Mrs. Ruiz. Having considered the same as meritorious, the committee hereby approves the detention of Mr. Pablo Ruiz under the same conditions, and the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to facilitate the implementation of the same subject to the appropriate medical examinations, right of visitation by relatives, as well as the right to counsel. So, approve in open session given this day of the 25th of September 2023. OSAA is hereby directed to cause the detention. Any other matters?
Yes, Your Honor. Regarding
Ay,
the directive of the Honorable Chairperson for the Commission on Human Rights to look into the alleged bullying of Danica. So our
I think
investigator...
Attorney Canapi, since that was taken in executive session, we will continue with the same consideration, and after the adjournment of this hearing, we will just talk to you relative to your findings and updates coming from Mimaropa CHR relative to the child in question, because we are still under the doctrine of the best interest of the child. So, kakausapin ka na lang namin
Yes, Your
mamaya.
Honor. Yes,
And
Your Honor.
perhaps you can submit your report to the committee secretary.
Yes,
Without
Your Honor.
objections on the part of my colleagues here,
Wait,
Senator
Mr. Chair,
Estrada.
Attorney Granda, ano ang status ng kaso nito mga ito?
and, hindi po ito tungkol sa bata.
Hindi, tungkol dito sa mag-asawa.
Yes, Your Honor.